Which article of the Indian Constitution deal with the citizenship? Article 5 to 11. The Constitution of India provides for citizenship for persons at the commencement of the institution. Which article provides for citizenship by domicile? Article 5. A person who migrated from Pakistan to India before July 19, 1948 is governed by Article 6. Article 7 relates to migrants to Pakistan. Citizenship provides in the Indian Constitution are applicable only at the commencement of the Constitution. Citizenship by registration and naturalization is provided under Citizenship Act 1955. Laws of Indian citizenship is governed by Citizenship Act 1955. Who has the power to regulate citizenship after the commencement of the Constitution? Parliament. Article 11. Which article allow Parliament to make laws regarding acquisition and termination of the citizenship? Article 11. Article 8 provides for citizenship of persons of Indian origin residing in foreign countries. A person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state loses Indian citizenship under Article 9. Citizenship is a subject under Union List. Which act governs current citizenship laws in India? Citizenship Act 1955. Persons born in India after January 26, 1950 but before July 1, 1987 are citizens by birth. Citizenship by descent is available to those born outside India if either parent is a citizen at the time of the child's birth. Which method is not a mode of acquiring Indian citizenship under the Citizenship Act 1955 through employment? Dual citizenship is not allowed under Indian law. An OCI overseas citizen of India can own property but cannot what? Which document proves the legal framework for citizenship? Citizenship Act 1955. Thank you.